Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C3 and let me share with you how to enable, so how to turn on or off the grid lines on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, and since we are on the photo mode we can tap on this settings in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the settings again, and as you can see in the photo section we've got the grid line option on the third position, so it is right now turned off. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher like here, and since it looks like it, we can go back to the camera and check, and as you can see the grid lines has been immediately applied to our camera, so you will be able to use them in order to take some harmonious photos or apply the rule of thirds. And obviously those lines are visible only on the camera, so after taking a photo, let's take a photo, they won't be visible. Let's tap on the preview, and as you can see the photo is clear, let's say, and we cannot see the helper lines. So this is how to turn on the grid lines. Obviously you can turn them off the same way, just by entering the settings. Just do it and tap on this switcher right here. After getting back, you can see that the camera is clear, so it means that we just successfully turned off the grid lines. So actually that's all. This is how to turn on or off the grid lines in your REALME C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.